Okay, so this is one leg of your hexapod, the base, and there's the platform. It can move up and down like that, and rotate like that. And the top can tilt that way. But if you want to tilt it this way, oops, you can't. It needs to be able to rotate around the actuator. So either you need a joint on the end of the actuator that lets the end of the actuator rotate around, or the ball nut needs to be able to rotate. And if the ball nut could rotate, then it would mean that when that platform tilted and made it rotate like that, it would make the actuator extend a little bit or retract a little bit, which I don't know if that would be noticeable or not. So if you wanted to avoid that, it might be better to have a joint on the end of the actuator that let it rotate. I think if you made a platform with a Stewart platform with 6 of these connectors like that, it would let the platform move up and down, left and right, forwards and backwards, and it would let it yaw, but you wouldn't be able to pitch or roll because like all the legs working together would, it would be preventing rotating in that direction.